Hello dear students, today I will discuss about miscellaneous exercise of chapter 9, that is related to differential equation. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 9, there are 18 questions in this exercise. So in today's class I will try to solve 50% of these questions. So very important chapter is this. Chapter is very important. So you have to do all questions of this exercise. First of all, miscellaneous exercise, that is complete revision of complete chapter 9 differential equation. So first question is given as, for each of the following differential equation given below, indicate order and degree. What is the order and degree of this differential equation? You know, order and degree. What is order and what is degree of differential equation? If differential equation, the highest order derivative present in differential equation is the order of differential equation, and degree is defined if differential equation is a polynomial equation in dy by dx in derivatives. Differential equation must be polynomial and free from third sign. Free from third sign means square root, cubic root. Equation must be written in free from third sign, and the differential equation must be polynomial in derivatives. Then we can, degree will be defined. In order is highest order derivative present in differential equation. Okay, degree, for defining degree, equation must be polynomial in derivatives. Okay, so here first equation, d2y by solution. First question, d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square. Just I have to solve all. I will solve all the questions in very short written form. Okay. So because some questions are very lengthy, you have to do practice for this here. So first question, d2y by dx square plus 5x and dy by dx square. dy by dx square minus 6y equal to log x. Minus 6y equals to log of this function of x, log y. Derivative. Here it is clear that in this differential equation, first question, highest order derivative present, second order. This is second order. Order is second. Order second. Degree is defined because it is a polynomial equation in derivatives. So degree is power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is this, power of this is 1. So degree is 1. Defined, and degree is 1. Second question is dy by dx cube dy by dx power 4 plus minus 4 dy by dx or 2 plus 7y equals to sin x. dy by dx power 3 minus 4 dy by dx power 2, this 3. Okay. dy by dx power 3 minus 4 dy by dx power 2 plus 7y equals to sin x. It is also polynomial equation in derivatives, dy by dx, and dy by dx is the highest order derivative. Highest order derivative present in this equation is dy by dx. So order is 1. And highest power of highest order derivative. dy by dx, both are dy by dx, power 3, power 2. So highest power 3. So degree 3. Clear? And third question is d4y upon dx4 minus sin dqy upon dxq. This is equals to 0. Okay. Here we see that fourth order derivative. Here third order derivative present here. So highest order derivative is 4. So order is 4. Degree not defined. Because given equation is not a polynomial. Mere equation in derivatives is not a polynomial equation in derivatives. So degree is not defined. Okay. So first question, solution of first question. This is very short questions. 9 point miscellaneous exercise. Okay. 2, 1, 1, 3 and degree order 4, degree not defined. Okay. So now take second questions of this miscellaneous exercise. Okay. Second questions is given for verification. Whether given relation is solution or not of a differential equation. Okay. So very simple method is for that, because just you have to find derivative value of derivative first order, second order, and put the value in the given differential equation on left hand side and try to get right hand side. If you can get right hand side, then differential equation, the relation will be solution. Here in question second, the some relation are given and some differential equation given. So whether this relation is a solution or not. So first take first question. Question first, 2 first. A to the power x plus b to the power minus x plus x square. 2 first. For verification whether a relation is a solution of the differential equation or not. Very simple, because suppose differential equation contains first order derivative, second order derivative, how many order derivatives, and y also there. So if y is a relation of x given, then just you have to find dy by dx. If only first order derivative. If second order derivative also continue a differential equation, then also find this and put all this value on the given differential equation on left hand side and simplify it. If you can get right hand side, then the relation is a solution of this differential equation, otherwise not. Okay, so here take first question, y equal to a to the power x, b to the power minus x. Given relation is y equals to a e to the power x, b e to the power minus x plus x square, and equation is d2y upon dx square minus 2 dy upon dx minus xy. This plus 2 minus xy, here x d2y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx minus xy plus x square minus 2 plus x square minus 2 equals to 0. This is given differential equation. Minus xy plus x square minus 2 equals to 0. This is given differential equation. Okay, given relation is this, and differential equation is this. Now we have to show that there are 4 questions. We have to show that this is solution of this differential equation. Okay, first. So very simple method. Just you have to find here y equals to y is this, dy by dx, find dy by dx, d2y by dx, also find this. So differentiate with respect to x, we get y dy upon dx, dy by dx, here a e to the power x, e to the power x, minus b e to the power minus x with respect to x, and 2x, this first order derivative with respect to x. Again differentiating, again differentiate with respect to x, again differentiate with respect to x, we get what? d2y upon dx square equals to a to the power x plus b to the power minus x plus 2. So now y dy by dx, d2y by dx square. Put the value on left hand side. Now left hand side of given equation is equals to x d2y upon dx square plus 2 dy upon dx minus xy plus x square minus 2. Just put all these 3 values, y, dy, this. Okay, so x into the second order derivative, this a e to the power x plus b e to the power minus x plus 2 first order derivative, this a e to the power x minus b e to the power minus x plus 2x minus xy plus x square minus 2. Now we can solve it. Okay, we can see that a e to the power x, 2a to the power x, a to the power x, x plus 2, a to the power x, and b e to the power minus x, b to the power minus x, x minus 2, x minus 2, b e to the power minus x plus 2x plus 2x plus 4x plus 6x minus xy plus x square minus 2. This is not equals to 0, not equals to 0. This is not equals to right hand side of given equation. So given relation is not a solution of given differential equation. Very simple method. Just we have to find the derivatives and put the value of y derivatives in the left hand side of the differential equation. If you can get right hand side by simplification, then relation will be solution, otherwise not. Here not, we cannot get this is equals to 0, that's why this is not a solution. Similarly, you can do 2, 3 and 4. Just I am solving 4. Okay, here 4 is given relation is x square equals to 2y square log y. X square equals to 2y square log y. X square equals to 2y square log y, and x square plus y square dy by dx, and equation is x square plus y square dy by dx is minus xy equals to 0. Minus xy equals to 0. In fourth, this is fourth. Given relation is this. Differential equation is this. We have to prove that this relation is solution or not. Okay. So from this relation we can find dy by dx. Okay. So just find its differentiate one time, because here y is x 2y squared y. So our method is what? Find the derivative value of dy by dx and put on left hand side and try to find right hand side. Also, if from given relation we can get the differential equation directly, then we can say that given relation is also solution of the differential equation. Clear? So here this is given relation, should differentiate with respect to x, we get here with respect to x, 2x equals to here 2. Now y square log y, product of two function. Here differentiate it with respect to x. Okay, so differentiation of d by dy y square log of y and dy upon dx, we will get like this. So 2 cancel, x equals to, now differentiation of this, first function this, second function this, first function y square, second function derivative of log y 1 upon y, derivative of log y 1 upon y, plus derivative of y square 2y log y dy by dx. Clear? From here we can see that dy by dx equals to x upon this. Here y cancel, y plus 2y log y. Okay, so dy upon dx, just we can substitute this value on left hand side. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Clear? Now left hand side of given equation is equals to x square plus y square dy by dx. So put the value here. X square plus y square upon nothing 1 divided is this x upon y minus xy, x upon this y plus 2y log y. Okay, this minus xy. Now after this line, left hand side is equals to x square plus y square. Y square, here you can see x square equals to this is given here. So put at this place 2y square log y plus y square, okay, by 1 into x upon this y plus 2y log y minus xy. This is clear. So from here we can see that by taking common y, we see that y log y plus y into x upon here 2y log y plus y minus xy. Very simple. Okay, in place of x square just we put this. Okay, using 1 here, using 1 here, and dy by dx putting using dy by dx. dy by dx equals to this. Now these two are cancelled, we get xy minus yx minus xy. This is equal to 0. This is equal to right hand side. This means left hand side equal to right hand side. Satisfied for this relation. That is, given relation is a solution. So given relation is a solution of given differential equation. Okay, this is the solution. So question 4 of question 2. Now second and third just you have to do in your copy, okay, by your self practice. Clear? Now take question third of miscellaneous exercise. Okay, so this was the verification of whether a relation is a solution of a differential equation or not. Just you have to find the derivatives, value of derivatives, and put on the left hand side and use the given relation, derivatives, and simplify it and try to get right hand side. If you can get right hand side, that the relation is a solution. Okay, so first and fourth questions are completed, and you have to do question second and third of 2 by yourself in your copy. Okay, now take question third. Question third is given like just like form the differential equation representing the family of curves given by the this relation or A is equal to constant. So formulation, because this is the miscellaneous exercise, so there are different type of questions. Formation of differential equation. We know we can form differential equation by a relation by eliminating arbitrary constant. If there are arbitrary single arbitrary constants, then we can get first order differential equation. If there are two arbitrary constants, then by eliminating that arbitrary constants, we can get second order differential equations. That depends, order the differential equation depends on number of arbitrary constants in the given relation. Okay, so here in question third, we have to form a differential equation for the equation given as what? X minus a square plus 2y square equals to a square. Question third. Question third. What is given relation is x minus a square plus 2y square equals to a square. 2y square equals to a square. A is arbitrary constant. Clear? This is given relation. Equation 1. We have to form differential equation for this equation. From this equation, where a is arbitrary constant, a is arbitrary, single arbitrary constant. So we can get a differential equation of first order by differentiating it with respect to x and eliminating this constant from equation. Okay, this is, so it can be simplified just because given equation can be simplified just like this. Suppose a minus b whole square, so x square minus 2ax plus a square plus 2y square equals to a square cancel, so we can get x square minus 2ax plus 2y square equals to 0. This type of relation. Clear? From here we can see that x square plus 2y square equals to 2ax. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Suppose, or we can give equation 1 also. Now our target is what? There is single arbitrary constant, so one time differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, we get with respect to x, so 2x plus here y square with respect to x, then first with respect to y and then dy by dx. So 2y, 4y, 2y means 4y and dy upon dx equals to 2ax, that is 2a. Clear? This is after differentiation. Clear? Now, from here we can get 2 cancel out, so x plus y dy upon dx equals to a. Here 2y. So we can write like this: 2y dy upon dx equals to a minus x, that is dy upon dx equals to a minus x upon 2y. Now this is equation 2. Now for getting differential equation, just we have to eliminate a from 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get here a equals to, we can use a equals to x square plus 2y square by 2x. We can use here. Clear? So a minus x from here dy upon dx equals to a means x square plus 2y square upon 2x minus x upon 2y. Just find a equals to x square plus 2y square upon 2x, a equals to, and put here this, and this is equals to dy upon dx is equals to, we can solve it, x square plus 2y square minus 2x square upon 4xy. So we can write dy upon dx equals to, here you can see that x square minus, so 2y square minus x square upon 4xy. So solution is 2y square minus x square upon 4xy, y dash equals to. Okay. So this is the solution. This is the required equation, which is required differential equation. Just eliminating this arbitrary constant. Okay. So this is the formation of differential equation. First, degree order, then second, whether the relation is a solution of a differential equation or not, and then third, formation of differential equation. Now question 4, prove that this is the general solution of differential equation. This where C is a parameters. Okay, here this is general solution of differential equation we have to prove. So just solve differential equation, whatever the method we know, try to solve this differential equation, then we can get general solution that can be written in the given format. Okay, so take question 4. This is a miscellaneous exercise. There are questions of different type of questions, so you have to solve all questions because this differential equation is important for your calculus part of the mathematics. Okay, so take question 4. Just I will solve in very short. So see here in question 4, the differential equation is question 4. Given differential equation is, here differential equation is given also at C is parameter. Okay, prove that this is general solution. General solution just like this, x square minus y square equals to x square plus y square into C. X square minus y square to C, x square plus y square. This is general solution of differential equation x cube minus 3xy, x cube minus 3x y square dx. Y cube minus 3x square y cube minus 3x square y, 3x square y dy. This is given differential equation. Clear? Y cube minus 3x square y cube minus 3x square y, x cube minus 3xy square, x cube minus 3x. This is a differential equation and we have to prove this is general solution of this, where C is parameter and arbitrary constant. Because this is first order differential equation, just we have to solve it. Now there are three methods: variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. So we can see that it is not variable separable. Just we can write. I will solve in very short, so see very carefully. Okay, so here dy upon dx equals to what? Dy upon dx equals to means dy upon dx, that is this upon this, x cube minus 3xy square. Dx is here, so dy by dx is equals to this upon y cube minus 3x square y. We can see that not separable form, and also cannot be written as a linear differential equation, that is homogeneous, and also it is homogeneous equation. We can see because power 3 x 1 1 3 2 and 1 3 3. So this is equals to, we can write fxy, since f of lambda x lambda y equals to, in place of xy, in place of xy, lambda x lambda y for homogeneous equation. So here lambda x cube minus 3 lambda x lambda y square upon lambda y cube minus 3 lambda x square lambda x y, sorry, lambda y. We can see that lambda power 3, lambda power 2 and 2, 3, lambda power 2, lambda power 1, 3, 3, lambda power 3. In numerator and denominator are also common, then cancel out. Then we can write lambda power 0. And remaining is x cube minus 3 xy square, x cube minus 3 xy square, y cube minus 3 x square y. So f xy implies f xy is homogeneous function of 0 degree, implies given differential equation is homogeneous. To solve it, we have to put what? Y equals to Vx. So dy by dx, differentiate it, what? D plus x dv by dx. Using these values from 1, we get, means this and this using this equation, dy by dx equal to this, v plus dv upon dx, x into dv into dx equals to, here y equal to ax, x cube minus 3x dx square upon vx cube minus 3x square bx. So we see that x dv upon dx, x dv by dx is equals to b is transferred to right hand side. Here we see that x cube common and cancel out. So here 1 minus 3v square, 1 minus 3v square. Here 1 minus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v. Clear? and b is transferred to right hand side, so minus b. Now taking LCM, we can see that bq minus 3b, bq minus 3b equals to 1 minus 3b square minus b power 4 plus minus b power 4 plus 3b square, 3b square upon this, just like this. Okay, so here 1 minus 3b square plus 3 cancel, 1 minus b to the power 4 upon this. Clear? And this is equals to, this can be written is equals to, this is cancelled, so 1 minus b power 4 upon b cube minus 3b. Okay, so x dv by dx equals to this. Now total function of v is x dv by dx, separable form. So homogeneous equation, by using the rule of homogeneous equation, we can solve it as, after this line we can write just like this. Here 1 b cube minus 3b upon 1 minus b to the power 4 dv equals to 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. Just we can write variable separable form. X go to the denominator, dx numerator, so dx by x. Here this bq minus 3b by, like, now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, we get, integrating on both sides, we get what? Integration of this, and also separated in two parts, bq by 1 minus b to the power 4, bq by 1 minus b to the power 4 dv minus 3b upon 1 minus b to the power 4 dv minus 3b upon this dv equals to integration of 1 by x dx plus c. Clear? So this is the process of finding solution of homogeneous equation. Now we have to solve this integral and then finally put v equals to y by x, then we can get the solution as a proof for x square minus y square. This can be solved by putting this is equals to t. 1 minus b power 4 equals to t implies minus 4b cube dv equals to dt. So b cube dv, here b cube minus 1 minus b to the power 4. So b cube dv equals to minus 1 by 4 dt in first integral, this, and b square equals to t in second integral. b dv equals to dt by 2. Clear? Here b square, we can take t in place of t, just u. Clear? So here we can see that this is equals to VQ dV minus 1 by 4 integration of dt upon t minus here V dV equals to du by 2. So du by 2. So 3 is here. The V dV du by 2 taken outside. Okay, and upon 1 minus v square. So u square equals to log x plus we can take this is also log of a, suppose constant, so log x. Clear? Now here first of all log x plus log of a. So here we see that minus 1 by 4 log of t minus 3 by 2 1 upon a square minus, this is a square minus 1 square minus x square. So we know also since 1 upon a square minus x square dx equals to what? 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. This is the formula. So using this formula we can get this into 1 upon 2 v square equals to u. So 2v dv equals to this. So v dv equals to du by 2, 3 by 2. 1 upon 2 into a. 2 into a, 1. 1 upon 2a. A square, 1 square, 1 square. So 1 upon 2a log of a plus x. A is 1. 1 plus u. Here 1 plus u. 1 plus u upon 1 minus u mod. This is equals to right hand side log ax, just like this. Now here we can see that minus 1 by 4 common, minus 1 by 4 common. Then log of t means 1 minus b power 4. 1 minus b power 4. Minus 1 by 4 common. And 3 minus log of 1 plus u means v square. V square upon 1 minus v square power 3. Here minus this 3. Okay. So no, both are minus. So minus common this is equals to log of ax. Just now we can simplify it. Okay. Just use here log a plus log b, log a into b, 1 minus b power 4 into 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v square power 3, and this minus go to right hand side minus and 4 into minus 4, that is minus 4 into log of ax. So here we can see that log of 1 minus v equals to y by x. Since y equals to bx implies v equals to y by x. So y by x power 4. And here 1 plus y by x square upon 1 minus y by x square power 3. equals to here log minus 4 to the power. So log of ax to the power minus 4. So now log cancel. Here we can see that x power 4. So x power 4 minus y power 4. X power 4 minus y power 4 upon x to the power 4. Clear? First value. Into here x square plus y square. X square minus y square. Denominator x square shall cancel. Power 3 equals to ax power minus 4. Okay, we have to find the solution as what? In terms of how? General solution x square minus y square equals to c x square plus y square square. This is our target general solution in this form. So we can suppose just like this, x square square minus y square square numerator upon x power 4. Here x square plus y square power 3 upon x square minus y square power 3 equals to 1 upon a power 4 into x power 4. Negative power go to denominator. So x power 4 cancel. 1 by a to the power 4. Now from here we can see that a square minus b square, x square y square, a square minus b square, a square minus. So we can get like this, x square minus y square into x square plus y square into x square plus y square power 3 upon x square minus y square power 3. Okay. So from here we see that x square minus y square, x square minus y square, one power is cancelled out. Okay, and this into this to the power 4. So 1 by a to the power 4. Now solve it. 1 power cancel, this to the power 4. So x square plus y square power 4 upon x square minus y square, x square minus y square power 2 equals to 1 upon a to the power 4. Okay, this is equal to this. Now we can see from here, just taking a square root of on both sides. Then 4 here x square minus y square or 4 equals to x square minus y square upon a power 4. Now this can be written like this, x square plus y square equals to x square minus y square into a power 2. So this can be written x square plus y square is equals to a square equals to x square minus y square. Now a square can be taken as a c. So this here 4 and 2 and 4, just taking square root, the 2 1 2 a square can be taken as a constant c. Okay, so we can also write c equals to a square. Okay, so x square minus y square equal to c x square plus y square. X square minus y equal to c x square plus y square square. C x square plus y square c x square plus y square x square minus y square. So this is the solution. Okay, so this is question 4. Was very long question. Okay, now take another question, question 5. I give hint for solving question 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, 6, 7, 8. 4 questions for your homework, and you have to do from yourself. Okay, so hint of question 5, 6, 7 and 8 I will give here now. Okay, just for giving hint, form the differential equation of the family of circles in the first quadrant which touches the coordinate axis. Here also in question 5 we have to form differential equation. Okay, so family of circles, that is, and first quadrant and touches coordinate axis. First quadrant is this is y axis, this is x axis. First quadrant is this, and touches means just this type of circle touching this. Okay, touching here and here also. So center will be what? AA. Clear? You can see that any circle, suppose this is a circle, then we see that this y-axis, this is x-axis. Any circle you can draw touches here and also here. That means if this is center AA, this is A and also this is A. Center is A and radius is also A. So family of curve what? X minus A square plus y minus A square equals to A square. This, there are only one constant A, and you have to eliminate this A. Equation 1, very simple. Differentiate it with respect to x 1 times, so here 2 x minus a into 1 plus 2 y minus a into dy by dx, and right hand side 0. Clear? So from here we can see that dy by dx, just write for dy by dx y dash. So here we see that 0, 2 cancel, so x minus a plus y minus a into y dash equals to 0. Y dash is this. Now x minus a plus y dash minus a y dash equals to 0. From here we can find the value of a, taking common minus a 1 plus y dash, minus a common 1 plus y dash, x plus this plus x plus y dash equals to 0. So that's a equals to we can get a equals to x plus y dash upon 1 plus y dash. Just put this value in 1. Put the value of a in 1. We can get the required differential equation. Here, also here, also here. That is just like this. Square x minus this value square plus y minus this value square equals to this value square. Just simplify it, you can get equation. Okay. 6. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx root y. It is also simple because variable are separable form. Okay, equation 6 dy by dx plus of 6, question 6 dy by dx equals plus root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. This is given equation. Question 6. Okay, so dy by dx root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So from here it is very clear that y and x are separated. There is variable separable form. So we can write like this: dy upon dx equals to minus of root of 1 minus y square upon root of 1 minus x square. So we can write like this: what? dy 1 upon root of 1 minus y square equals to minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square dx. Separable form. Just integrate on both sides. We can get solution. Here what? Sin inverse y equals to minus sin inverse x plus c. So we see that sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals to c. This is solution. Okay. C is the constant. Now question 7. Here also it is given that general solution, you have to prove that general solution in this form. Okay, so y square plus y plus 1 x square plus x plus 1. So question 7 is given like this: dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. This is given. Yes, x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus 1 is equals to a 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy. We have to find the solution of this equation in this form. Okay, we can get c is arbitrary constant of integration. So it is also a variable or separable form. We can write this transfer to right hand side, then this go to numerator, y square plus y plus 1 dy equals to either here minus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Just we can write like this. Now integrate it. Y plus half square means y square plus y plus 1, y square plus, here we can see that y square plus 2a y plus 1 by 4 plus, we get this. Okay, so this is equals to, that means 1 minus 1 by 4 will be like this. Clear? Means 3 by 4. That is plus 3 by 4. Okay. Similarly, on the right hand side, we can write 1 upon dy equals to minus integration of 1 upon x plus half square plus 3 by 4 dx plus c. Now we can solve it. Okay, this as a single quantity 1 upon x square plus a square, we can write root 3 by 2 square, also root 3 by 2 square. So 1 upon x square plus square square, 1 upon x square plus a square. You can use this formula and then proceed and simplify. You can get this type of relation. Okay, so total constants put equal to the a, then you can get result like in this form. Okay, now 8, find the equation of the curve passing through 0 pi by 4, which differential equation is x sin x cos y dx. Question 8. sin x cos y dx, sin x cos y dx, cos x sin y dy, cos x sin y dy equals to 0, and condition is passing through 0 to pi. Curve passing through 0 to pi by 4. Just we have to find particular solution of this equation. This is given. So how can we solve it? Just divide this equation by cos x cos y. Okay, by cos x cos y you have to divide this. Then we can get 10x 10y. You can see, and we know integration of 10x, very simple. So divide it by which? Cos x cos of y on both sides, right hand side 0. So then cos y cancel, sin by cos 10, so 10x dx, plus here cos x cancel, sin y by cos y, 10y dy equals to 0. Okay, now integrate it, 10x dx integration 10y dy equals to constant integration. So this is what you can take constant as a log of c. So log minus log cos x, log sec x, log sec x plus log sec y equals to log of c. So we get sec x into sec y equals to c. This is the solution. Passing through the point 0 pi by 4. So put x equal to 0, cos sec 0 1, sec y sec pi by 4. Sec pi by 4 means 1 by cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means 1 by root 2. So sec means root 2. So c equals to root 2. Just put here. Solution is sec x sec y equals to root 2. That is the solution. Okay. So after these questions, similarly you can solve question 9 also. Okay. So question 9 can be also solved. Just I am giving hint here for also question 9. Okay. Question 9 is here given. There are also particular solution 1 plus e to the power 2x dy, 1 plus e to the power 2x dy plus 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square e to the power x dx equals to and 0 and x 0 y 1. Condition है y1 x 0. This is condition. Okay, we have to find particular solution. Here we also see that it's a variable separable form because this is x function, x related function. So we can write like this: dy 1 plus e to the power 2x equals to minus 1 plus y square e to the power x dx. So here dy upon 1 plus y square, clear, and equals to minus e to the power x upon 1 plus e to the power 2x dx related to y, function related to y with y, and this is with x. So just integrate it, integrate here, integration here plus c. So tan inverse y. Here we can see that 1 plus e to the power x square. So e to the power x equals to t. Then e to the power x dx equals to dt. So here what? E to the power x dx dt. So dt by t. Dt by 1 plus t square. Dt by 1 plus t square plus c. So we can write minus tan inverse t. T means what? E to the power x. So tan inverse y equals to this plus c. Now we can apply this condition. Y equals to 1 and x equals to 0. Okay. So what? Tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. Also minus tan inverse e to the 0 1, tan inverse 1 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 plus c. So c equals to what? Pi by 2. Just pi by 2 put here. That is the solution. So up to the question 9 you have to solve from 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to do completely in your copy and send me PDF file for your attendance. Clear? This was the hint of these questions. So today I have completed questions up to 9 of miscellaneous exercise. You have to send me for your attendance at least solution of 3 questions. Okay.